Hey there! So we told you that we were going to be living in a camp trailer on our friend's property. So I just wanted to take a video and show you what camp trailer life is like out here. There's our home! We fenced off this small area here just so that I could let Toby out and play and not have to worry about where he was going. And same with Bandit. We let him run around sometimes, but most of the time we just keep him in the fenced area so we don't have to lose him all around. This is where we park. I'll show you around this way a little bit. We got a shop over there. So here's where we are. We put a little entrance gate over here, so I'll show you as we walk in. So here's our home for who knows how long, but it's cozy. We've done our best to make it cozy inside. That's all slanted because of the rain. It's nice to have a nice drain down. Got some nice little chairs to relax in and a nice water cooler so we can have some fresh cold water. Barbecue and a smoker is a must. There's our view out there. It's pretty smoky these days, but on a good day, you got a pretty good view out there. They've allowed us to use this little shed over here for storage and to keep our washing machine and dryer in. I'll show you that real fast. And our tools. So nice. We still have way too much stuff, but it's so nice to be able to have our tools and be able to work on projects out here and do our laundry over there, so that's been a super huge blessing. Alright, well let me walk you inside. Here is our home. Alright, let's see. Let's start over here. So there's our kitchen area. It's all pretty small because it's obviously a camp trailer, so you had to really minimize what we decided to use. But I got one of those 3-tier or 2-tier trays, and that really helps with organizing. Soak in a pan because I burnt something in the oven. But let's see, all our cups are in here, and food is jammed in there. Let's see, we gotta keep our plates and bowls in here. There's the stove and the oven. We keep our pans and cookie sheets. Well, we don't have cookie sheets yet, but we need to get some. And cutting boards in there. Here's our refrigerator and our freezer. I'll show you inside just so you can see how big it is. It's kind of a game of Tetris when you're trying to put groceries away, but that's alright. Let's see, this is Bandit's little corner. Oh, look at this. I got this at a garage sale yesterday for 50 cents. It's from Nordstrom, and it says, what's it say? $29.99. There's that 50-cent piece, which I quite enjoy. Here's the bathroom. Medicine cabinet here. All of our makeup and stuff like that, toothbrushes and things are in there. There's the shower. It works really good, and I'm actually super impressed with the size of the tub. That makes it really great for Toby. And a tip to anybody who lives in a camp trailer, this tension rod will be your friend, because I hate when you're taking a shower and the curtains touching your skin. It bugs you. But anyway, if you pull it out here, it gives you some elbow room. See? Nice elbow room there. Here are our closets. There's my clothes in here, and Jared's got his clothes in, his work clothes on the other side. Towels and cleaning supplies are crammed under here, but that's okay. Work with what you got. Let's see, here's, oh, Jared's side doesn't look too bad. Actually, it looks better on my side. And all his shoes and stuff are crammed under there too. There's this one little cabinet which is helpful for, well, stuff that you see in there. So that's the bathroom. On to Toby's room. Here's Toby's bed. That ginormous fish came free at a garage sale, so we couldn't pass up a giant catfish, but it's fun for Toby to snuggle up with. These are his only toys, and you know what? He hardly even plays with half of them because he's always outside. There are his books, a bucket of his shoes, and some more. This is my effort of decorating because I'm not going to rehaul the whole entire camp trailer. But I got these at little garage sales. And then this one, I've never heard of the name until my mom mentioned it. Rae Dunn. I got her one for Mother's Day. And I had to get myself one too because I think it was like $3 at Ross or something. Dog food and garage sale change. And then when Toby goes to bed, he honestly usually starts out here and then ends up snuggling with us, but we love it. It's fun. Let's see. So there's his bed. That used to be a fold-out couch, but we just made it permanently down because honestly, when we're watching movies or something, we're just sitting in our bed. Here's the dining room table area. Sorry about my phone keeps going off. There's our computer. Snacks are in this drawer. And coffee and whatever else can fit in there. And this is Toby's drawer of diapers and things. There's a tiny bit of storage underneath these stools, these benches, and I just use it to put my sewing machine under. There's the mom bag. I hate that there's nowhere to hang stuff. That's probably the biggest thing that bugs me the most, is not having a specific spot for everything. Here's this. We're eventually going to build a, I don't know, like cabinet doors for it or something. There's our movies, and there's some vegetables up there, and just like a pile of stuff that has nowhere else to go. Here's our bookshelf section and our bank book stuff. And here's canned goods. And here, you do really have to get creative with the food. And here is our room. There's a curtain that draws it shut, but we never use that unless Toby's taking a nap and we're trying to distract him. Oh, I forgot to show you. We got him some little stars. And here's our sign. Attitude is the difference between ordeal and adventure. That's super handy to try your best and remember. It's honestly not that hard living here. It gets a little tough like on Sundays and when the dog's in here all at the same time. Let's see, Jared's closet's over here. This is his side, and his shoes are in there. Got my hats hanging up. Here's my, kind of got to be careful or else they'll all fall out. My shoe section. And here is my closet. Totes are perfect for stacking everything in and trying to not lose stuff. But I have a tote for my tank tops, a tote for my t-shirts, that kind of stuff. I have a little drawer, but I don't keep much in it, just like jewelry or whatever. And this is the biggest part here, is under the bed is our dresser, which kind of is a pain, but you kind of get used to it. Okay. So that rod holds it all up. But there's 2 totes tall on either side. 4 of them are mine, 4 of them are Toby's. And this is stuff that didn't fit in a tote. But that's pretty much it. There's our little house. Yeah, there's our little house.
Hi.
So we have been living here for 3 months now, right?
Yep, just that 3 months.
This is
Yep,
the
here's
fish.
the whale. There's the fish. Here you go. Say thank
We
you.
wanted to talk about
Okay, say thank you. You're welcome.
what trailer life is like. 3 months. What do you think?
Well, I don't mind it actually. I feel bad for Toby because he has a hard time getting energy out, I think. And we just went to Grandma and Grandpa's this weekend, and he had a blast just running around playing. Did you get it hurt? No, Wayne, you kissed it yourself? Alright, that'll work. I mean, it's not bad. Okay, it does get a little overwhelmed because Toby's bed is the couch, and that's his bedroom, and all of his toys are there as well.
Which makes the hallway his bedroom as well.
Right.
And the kitchen.
Yeah, and
And the
our
bedroom.
bed.
And the dining room.
Yeah, so pretty much it gets messy really quick, which is okay, I guess.
Yeah.
Um,
You just have to pick up toys at the very end of the day. Another thing that's really tough is there's no grass. And so
That's true.
I literally,
It's
on a
30.
good day, have to sweep 3 times a day. So that gets really frustrating really fast. So as far as like getting in each other's way, in each other's space, I don't really see that as an issue, except for on Sunday mornings when we wake up late.
or when it's a certain time. Never mind.
Or when I'm just overwhelmed and everyone has to stand in the same square foot piece of vinyl tile.
It's because we all love you and we want to be close to you.
It does always crack me up though when I'm like, even in our old house, we would be standing on, all of us, within like 2 square feet, even Bandit.
That's
And
true.
they're like, we have all this room and we all have to stand right here on my feet.
Can you feel the love tonight?
Yeah, so other than that, I mean, that's pretty rare. The food situation's a little tough. But all in all, I like it, and it's cozy, and it's fun, and as long as I, as a homemaker, keep it in my mind that this is a camp trailer, not a house, then it's just fine.
Makes a world of a difference.
Yeah, it does. So, I've had fun so far, and it's been a good 3 months.
Yeah.
I don't know if I could handle 2, 3, 4 years. I hope I don't have to handle that.
Yeah, that.
But you know what? I already have some Christmas plans in mind for decorating, so. But I'm telling you, I am like thirsting to decorate a house.
She is. She just had a craft fair, and she made some good money, and it's all for decorating. And she just wants to shop and buy stuff. And
I'm
I
ready
said,
to
no,
bust
not
that
until,
lock and just go buy
not
stuff.
until we have a house.
I
You
did
can't.
just buy
So,
some chairs for our house, though.
uh,
2 antique leather tufted chairs that
But I
got
trust
painted,
her.
so I'm gonna have to fix that. $25 a piece. But and then,
Can you
but
beat
the
that deal?
problem is,
I don't think so. Jump on that deal.
I'm already looking at Craigslist, and there is a clawfoot tub for $125.
Not until we have a house. Where do you want to store it? Outside?
Your mom volunteered that I could put it at her house.
Right, she did.
And if we don't buy a house for 3 years, she can make it a cute planter. But, so we'll see.
Oh, brother.
But anyway, now we're enjoying
Wish
it.
me luck. Just kidding.
We're pretty anxious to get into a real house though. But until then, we're grateful for where we're at. And I'm telling you, having a place where I can keep tools and work on stuff makes the world of a difference. And Jared can go out here and we can shoot our bows whenever we want. It's just
Yeah.
right outside, and in the city we couldn't do that. So we're super grateful to be here.
It's great.
Loving
It
it.
is great. But, you know, I'm not crazy in a hurry because hunting season's right around the corner. And if we got a house, it'd be like, kind of bad time. But, you know, I want to enjoy hunting season
He says
first.
bad time because he doesn't want to be moving during like hunting season, and there's hunting property right here. And
So I can hunt out my back door. Shut the front door!
front door and the back door.
Oh, we have 2 doors in our big house of ours.
Anyway, we're loving it.
Yep, we are. So we'll see how long we're here.
Yeah.
Toodles.
Can you hold my face and give me a kiss? Because you love me?
Hold Mama's face.
Mwah. Tell me you love me.
No.
Love you too, sweet.
I love you more.
No.
I love you more.
No.
No, yes I do.